apple a day keeps the doctor away. And this applies also for machines. In the next 4 minutes, you will learn why this small box is the future of predictive maintenance and why we get the Startup Award 2018 from VDMA. We are very proud to be part of TechFounders and had the opportunity to work with Knorr-Bremse. So let's look to the problem we are tackling. So all over the world, 60 million machines are in operation. 90% of them are neither smart or connected. That means 70% of them are older than 15 years old. So we, from endiio, we love old machines, and we strongly believe that retrofit is the way to go. So let's look to existing retrofit solutions. They try to solve the problem of the demand information, urgent demand information. So imagine AI without fresh data is a lame duck. So, and that's why wired solutions are too expensive, don't solve the problem. RFID is not scalable. You need always a reader to get the data from this small device, and standard wireless solutions need battery changes every few months in a very harsh environment with scalable applications. We at endiio, we have a retrofit solution that is maintenance-free. That means this small box generates energy from the environment. Not only solar, also thermal energy. Thanks to a patented wake-up wireless communication, we are able to be real-time and low power at the same time. 10,000 times lower power consumption than Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. And we are easy to install. So very easy to adapt to different applications and also take the newest sensor technology into your applications. And last but not least, a very robust and secure approach. I will show you some use cases. I think we never saw a wireless device in this industry applications. endiio will be the main provider of wireless and maintenance-free sensor solutions for the industry. So, how does it work? We have a machine in the field, or some machines, and you upgrade your machine with this device, and the sensors are already included. The sensors are collected over the gateway, and on the edge, on the gateway, there are machine learning algorithms collecting data, do the analysis, or a cloud application to do the visualization. So, I'm happy to show you some applications where we already where our technology is already in use. For example, the paper industry, monitoring bearings is really pain in the ass. That means you have over 200 bearings have to be controlled to avoid downtime. High voltage transformers. It was not possible until endiio to get data from a running transformer up to 1 million volts. And of course drives, we have here a nice demo to do predictive maintenance of drives. And last but not least, Zeiss is our oldest customer where we do metrology wirelessly for their products. So the team, the management team behind endiio is next to me. Patrick is a serial entrepreneur and CFO of our company and my co-founder. And Markus Dorn is a very experienced manager, former Nokia and Siemens. What we are looking is, of course, here is customers and sales partners, and for a Series A round, 1.2 million to boost our B2B sales. So, thank you for your attention. We are endiio, and we put a lot of effort in this smart box to let you think out of the box. So, thank you.